My nephew Jakob was diagnosed with brain cancer at 6. I experienced firsthand the diagnosis challenges, including misdiagnosis, waiting time for first or second opinion. Jakob's case inspired me to start CancerCenterAI. I decided to develop a platform that could address some of the challenges.
For over 100 years, many pathologists have relied on traditional microscope instead of adopting digital pathology. In Poland, there are only about 400 active pathologists serving 40 million citizens. This situation can lead to significant delays in diagnosis, particularly when a second opinion is necessary.
We chose Microsoft Azure to build our platform for 3 key reasons: its comprehensive set of advanced tools, data residency, and global reach. Azure Machine Learning provides powerful tools for creating, training, and deploying AI models, which is essential for our diagnostic platform, and Azure Marketplace helped us reach our new customers globally.
Pathologists can now collaborate remotely and respond quicker to urgent cases. Patients experience quicker diagnosis and shorter waiting times, which helps alleviate the stress during a challenging period.
Our Azure-powered platform digitizes pathology and radiology scans. This helps pathologists to reduce analysis time. Overall, cancer diagnosis processes have accelerated and diagnostic errors have reduced.
Mazovia Group is a leading urological company in Poland, currently running 3 hospitals across it. Thanks to digital nature of CancerCenterAI solutions, we are able to deliver to our doctors timely results that allows them to provide targeted surgical operations and a better treatment.
The future of pathology should leverage AI algorithms to enhance diagnostic accuracy. Thanks to CancerCenterAI platform, we routinely utilize AI algorithms to help determining the Gleason score in prostate cancer. It is evident that accurate diagnoses are essential for administering appropriate treatment.
With Azure Virtual Machines, we provided new team members with the computational resources they need without investing in physical hardware. As a result, we onboarded more data scientists and trained AI models faster.
We see that AI and digital pathology is a way to help address the global shortage of medical professionals. We offer our platform also pro bono for education, because we believe we can truly make a difference in the lives of patients and their families through digital solutions and AI.